Here in the kitchen, Rick Crosslin, our science guy, is here.
Yeah.
We've got shaving cream.
We have shaving cream.
We've got food coloring. We've got sheets of 8x11 paper and something called hydrophilic
or hydrophilic. Hydrophilic or hydrophobic?
Hydrophobic, okay.
Hydrophobic.
It scares me. I'll go with hydrophobic.
So shaving cream is really an interesting thing. When I look at the world and I try to teach children, is it a solid, is it a liquid, is it a gas? And shaving cream is mostly a little bit of air and soap. And soap is this weird stuff, and it's good for us because it has this real weird molecule. One end attracts water, and the other attracts oil. So it's good for washing your hands because it's water soluble. But shaving cream is very interesting. If you just let that sit for a while, it'll end up just being a pile of soap and all the air goes out of it.
Incidentally, as you're demonstrating this, I probably was remiss in not pointing out that this is going to end up being a holiday card.
A Christmas card, holiday card, because it's a fun activity. So you got your shaving cream, and the kids like all different colors, but we're just going to stay with some green drops. And if you notice, these drops stay on top of the shaving cream. That's the hydrophobic nature. It hates water.
Okay.
It hates water, but and I put some red in there, and
you don't want to get that coloring on your hands or clothes, do you?
It's an occupational hazard for me. And take a toothpick, and this is the part where kids just want to make a big smear, but if you just, help me guys here, take a toothpick and just make some interesting, and you notice that it starts to look almost, well, I use this as the gases of Jupiter, which is a pretty cool science project. But so we have some interesting decorations, and you know what, most kids will just want to smear it and turn it into a gray Christmas. But if you take this now and let's lay this on here, and this is where it gets to be fun. We're going to be doing some printing. You know, when you lift it up, you're going to see some beautiful, look at that. Isn't that just
cool? Look at that.
And you'll be able to use this for a bunch of them. This is where it starts to get messy. So having some fun with the kids once, twice, and
cool.
All of this gets to be just so much fun. And so the food coloring sticks to the paper.
Jackson Pollock's got nothing on Rick Crosslin.
Yeah. And you can do this over and over again, and there's one to let dry for a second. But if you notice, we still have 2 more places to try this. And gentlemen, if you want to get your fingers, probably not.
Go ahead,
No,
George.
I'm in, yeah.
Okay.
Well, well, this is neat though. And I'm even picturing like taking like maybe even like a pen and ink on top of this once you've established the sort of the colorful background.
Sure.
And then painting a little elf or something.
And if you don't have a ruler, you can just try, and go ahead and take this, and we'll wipe that off. You're going for the, oh, I should be nice to your artwork. You're going to the kind of like the Christmas smear.
That was my Matisse there, yes.
Lay one more. We can lay one more, Randy. You just want to put it right on top here?
Yeah, okay. Yep.
All right, and then I'll let you use the, lift this up again, and I'll let you use the ruler to do your magic zigzag.
Ruler is yours, sir.
Okay.
And,
oops, I got it on my hands.
Okay.
All right, so just kind of smear it out.
And this becomes a lot of fun.
Our grandkids will love this.
Yeah.
I mean, they really would.
And then you end up, I got it. Let's see, we'll wipe that off, or you can just scrape it off.
Putting it on kind of thick, isn't he, Rick?
Yeah, but
I always do.
here's the fun. And so you got a nice card right there. But this card is going to be, something weird's going to happen in this card, and I'll give you a hint. You see the candle there?
Yes.
So I put some Merry Christmas on in candle. Let's see if that'll stick there.
Huh.
And maybe it will, maybe it won't. Oh, I'm starting to see some.
Oh.
So the wax allowed it not to stick. Yeah. So hydrophobic, hydrophilic, Christmas fun. You can fold this in half, and it's still enough time to send it in the mail for your little bit of science, a little bit of Christmas cheer, and a little bit of science.
Yeah.
Incidentally, we've got a little QR code in the corner of your screen. You can point your phone at that, and that'll take you directly to the good information that Rick Crosslin has blessed us with. That's neat. I like the crayon thing, or not the crayon, but the candle.
The candle wax, yeah.